This time on Woody's Garage we have that awful 6 horsepower Evinrude again.
I'm a glutton for punishment. Let's pull the head of the Evinrude back off. I'm going to take a look at it. I got the pistons about equal and I put in some Marble Mystery Oil just to see what it does. See if it goes past the rings or something, or if it just sits there. All the head surfaces look pretty good, but iBoat suggested, did you get the head surfaces really smooth and level? And you know, I did on the head. The head I put on a piece of sandpaper and rotated in figure eights to get it smooth. Fine grit, of course. And I think I'm going to do the same to this. Just to see if it makes any difference at all. The gasket doesn't really show any signs of anything. That's kind of weird though. Hope that's not a problem. Ugh. You know, also taking it off, you might get water on things, oil dripping, etc. But I think this is okay. We've let these soak about an hour, and I don't think the fluid's gone down at all. And I'm kind of getting itchy to start working on this head. What I got is my knife sharpening stone. It's in a case. It's relatively flat. It's the only thing I have. 800 sandpaper, which is kind of light, but it's really all I got that's light, so I think we're going to go with that. I'm going to put something in the cylinder so I don't get all this crap in there. That's going to be the hardest part. Well, it didn't seem to make too much of a difference. I think I had it pretty good before. Maybe if I leave the paper towels in there, the compression will go up, huh? Good Lord, an improvement. Almost up to 75. I did put oil in the cylinders, as iBoat suggested. Didn't think that trick worked with 2 strokes, but let's see what the other cylinder does. This is the top cylinder. Okay, bottom came up to about 60, but this is after I didn't add oil just before I pulled. It went through the last cycle. So let's try some more oil in it and see what happens. Yeah, solid 75. And that's what I'm using. It's a lubricating oil. So, I guess this means the rings are bad, huh? Or is that the valves? Gotta go look it up. Here's a question. These don't really have the same reach. It's a spark plug on the left, compression tester on the right. That, I think, will make for a false reading. You know, you push this into where that O-ring is, and the spark plug goes a lot deeper. And I don't have one. Like, that's way too deep. And that's small for the little peanut plugs. And that's not right. Okay, well, I guess it's rings forget about it. So I'm sure a set will pop up someday. And maybe we'll swap them out. That's it for today.